So start. What is the name given to the longest side on a triangle? The longest side? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. In the case of each of the three right angle triangles below, measure the two sides indicated. So we will measure it in, I'll measure them in millimeters, okay, because it doesn't measure exactly to 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. So in this case, millimeters. So that seems to me that's 12 millimeters. And the hypotenuse here, I would measure that to be, that's 25 to me. So the length of that is 25. And that's what? You got 26? Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough, I got 25. And got 12 as well. Right, it doesn't matter. In the exam, it's your measurements that are important. This side, the 12, what side is that? What's it called? Opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Opposite. And this side here is the? Hypotenuse. So we have the we have the opposite, and we have the hypotenuse. So which formula will we be using to get A in that one in that case? Sine, because the hippo is opposite me. Sine. Alright, and this one, will we be using the same formula? Will we be using sine again?
We will. Yeah.
We will, because we have the opposite and the hypotenuse standing, hippo standing opposite. Right, in this case, it is, I measured 28, and in this case here, I measure 27 about. No, sorry.
57.
I measure 57. Right, the measurements seem to be double, don't they?
Yeah.
So maybe that one. Alright, we'll see how it goes.
I don't think the 12 is right, I think it's meant to be 22.
Well, you measure it exactly as you can. So this is 79, what is this? This could be 80. This one here is 45, according to my measurements. And this one here in millimeters, 90. Use your measurements to write sine of A, sine of B, sine of C. Right, so the sine of A, sine of A, opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of A, so which triangle has the A in it? The big one, the middle one, or the small one?
Sorry?
Which triangle am I using if I get the sine of A? Which triangle? The small one, because there's a opposite 12 over 25. Alright, B, 28 over 57. And C, opposite. Sine of C, opposite 45 over hypotenuse. 45 over 90. Well, I know this is a decimal, that's 45 over 90, that's a half. 0.5. 12 over 25 is just more than half. 12 divided by 25 is equal to 0.48, and 28 divided by 57, 0.491. Right. From the above information, what can you say about triangles ABC? Give a reason for your answer. Are they, do you think, should one of the measurements here, should that have been 24 maybe? Should that have been 56? The triangles are roughly what? They're roughly the same. So triangles are, they're not exactly the same, but the triangles should be roughly the same. So the triangles are, we'll say they're the same. Maybe some of my measurements were off. If triangles are the same, alright, so all the angles, the angle A, so you can say the angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, all of those angles. So A, that angle is the same as that one, and it's the same as that one. Let's say that as well. Right, did you have to do